Hi everyone, welcome to WW Designs. My name is Nikki and today I'm here to introduce you to a fun little kit. I started making this for myself. My daily journal, writing the day down every week, was getting annoying. I realised I didn't have to write Thursday the 14th of November. I could have just put a number. But it was just a habit that I've been in, and you'll see, unless I actually use some stickers, it's just the way I have done it all year and in many years in the past. I wanted something quick and easy, fun, so that when I'm really busy, and those weeks obviously do happen a lot, I can just grab a number, stick it down, and then add my little bit of journaling. So the first thing I did, I made this page, which was just some funky numbers that I could use for any day, any time, anywhere. And there didn't have to be a theme, or there is definitely no theme other than the fact they're all numbers. So that was the first page I did. I thought, this is going to be fun. I like this. Then the next thing I thought, well, I better have some monochrome ones. So of course I did a monochrome collection. With the plan that I could just use these stickers as my weekly deco, or like, especially even with these, I could do some layering with paper scraps, with stickers, whatever, and sit this on top. And I thought, that sounds like fun. So of course we made monochrome ones. I also made some mixed media ones. I have done all this mixed media art, and I just pop them all down there and added some dates. And I thought, well, that's a really fun, bright, colourful way of doing what I have to do. Then I did a little outdoorsy set, because then I just started going crazy, and I thought, oh, we'll make all sorts of things. So why not put all this together so other people can use it? And no matter what type of journaling you do, there'll be something you can use. Now, my plan was never to use the entire page for a whole month. I was thinking either daily and or for a week. Like if I wanted to do a nature-themed week, I would use just those bits. Then I could add other deco if I have time. But otherwise, if I'm just having nature week, that would be enough deco and that would look fab on my page. Of course, we had to have coffee. That was like a not negotiable item. Then I thought, how about some plaid? These would look great on top of torn bits of paper, because I love using paper that I've torn, sticking it down and then adding some deco on top of it. I thought plaid would look fabulous. I did a tropical one, of course. Where I live is subtropical. This would also be perfect if you're on holidays somewhere. If you like, it might be the middle of winter for you and you're dreaming of a tropical holiday, or you escape somewhere to the beach. Use this on those days, but otherwise just for something bright and colourful. Then I went for a lovely neutral set. I often like doing neutrals in my planners, especially. So I thought journal could use the same treatment sometimes, so made a lovely neutral set. I've made a tea set, because I know lots of people like tea, and there's so many coffee products out there, and sometimes the tea drinkers get forgotten. And in winter, I don't mind a cup of tea, so I thought a cute little tea set would be perfect. Then we have to have some hearts. Now, there's two ways you can use these. You could cut this out and glue it down like that, or you could cut this out separately and then stick it somewhere on the heart. If you want to do it that way, you have the choice. Then this one is, I've called this page cozy. It's a little bit autumn, it's a little bit winter, it's just cozy. So it doesn't have to be anything in specific, but just, you know, maybe weather's a bit cooler and you want to spend some nice cozy time at home and stuff. I thought some cozy things would be cute. Of course, we've done flowers. You can always add a flower to your planner or journal. Then I started playing around with size. So what I did, I made these quite large. So if you're a day to a page type girl, these would be perfect. But depending on what size you journal or how much you journal, I just played with printing them out in different sizes. So you can obviously make them fit however you want. So this is like 50%. Then we're down, I think this was set on 65 or 70. And then I can't remember how I did this one, what the numbers were. And every printer works differently. So some printers, you select the size of paper you want it to print on and then get it to adjust to fit. Others, you can actually adjust the size. I think I had a choice 100, 110, and then down to whatever. But I know all printers work differently. But for example, if you have a planner and you just want some cute little cutouts for the month, you know, where you have like a nice monthly spread, say for example, you want to use the coffee ones, you can print them nice and small and pop them into your planner or journal. Depends on what you're using. So there we go, guys. I will leave a link to this kit in the description box. I just wanted something to make life fun and easy. And I've just got 2 little suggestions for storing these. Cut them all up. I got these cute little pouches from Temu. I bought these to pack little goodies in when traveling. I'm going to order another set when I get back from holidays, and I'm going to put, for example, all the 28s in one pouch. There's not that many of them. There's 12 in this size, and if you add a few smaller, that's fine. And then that will keep them all nice and safe and easy to access. So each day when you're doing your journaling or something, you just grab the respective day and pop that in there. Then I was also thinking you can buy these off Temu as well, probably off Amazon if you look too. These come with all different numbers of these little containers. This, I think, was one of the smallest ones they had. You could buy the next size up, which would probably give you 1 day for every day. Because this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this is 20. So you could, I mean, this is quite a generous little container. You could easily pop 2 days of each date in one of those if you wanted to keep them like that. Or the other thing is just grab a, you know, the clear binders with the pages, display books, and get one of those, and then on each side of each day, if you have to, split it with a blank white piece, and then just put 1 day, flip it over, put day 2, then day 3 and 4, just somewhere that you can keep them nice and clean and tidy. So I hope you enjoyed this little kit, just trying to make something fun that can make your journaling quicker, more colourful, if that's what you'd like. Link is below. Hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.